Welcome to 15 Foundry Avenue, number 203, in Toronto. 1,112 square foot builder's prized condo unit. Too many upgrades to list. Southwest corner unit with 3 levels of living space featuring unobstructed views. Juliet balcony, bedroom balcony, and 170 square foot rooftop terrace. Open concept living in one of Toronto's fastest growing areas. Steps away from 2 parks, Transit, Corso Italia, Subway, Future Metro, and Shoppers Drug Mart. Neighborhood Cafe, Microbrewery, and Bloor Street future proposed GO Transit will have you downtown in minutes. Come and see it today.